When it comes to capturing life in motion, the correct action camera may make a huge impact. These cameras are designed to keep up with any experience, whether you're riding down a mountain bike route, diving into crystal clear seas, or shooting your recent soccer match. From 4K cinematic video to AI-powered tracking, dual screens, and ultra-stable footage, today's action cams pack features that make filming effortless and professional looking. Some even allow you to frame images after recording, apply automatic highlights, or remove your selfie stick for epic views. We've compiled a selection of the top action cameras that strike a mix between performance, durability, and creativity so you never miss a moment, no matter how fast the action moves. Number 7. Xiaoyat. If you're searching for an action camera that can handle fast movement and unpredictable movements, this one is made for the job. It captures beautiful 4K video at 60 frames per second, making motion-heavy scenes like cycling, motorcycle trips, and even water sports appear fluid and detailed. The photo quality is particularly outstanding given its size, making it simple to capture sharp stills in between video recordings. One of its prominent features is the bare metal waterproof design, which allows you to submerge it to a depth of 66 feet without an additional case. That's a significant bonus for snorkeling or casual diving, but experienced deep-sea divers may still want additional protection. The dual-screen configuration makes daily tasks considerably easier. The rear touchscreen is quick and easy to use, while the front screen is ideal for framing vlogs or selfies. A 6-axis electronic system handles stabilization, and it does a good job of smoothing down vibrations during action scenes, but excessive bumps can still creep through. Built-in Wi-Fi enables rapid transfers and remote control via mobile app, which is useful, but it means you'll have to rely on your phone to share film. The bundled dual batteries provide a significant battery life, making it ideal for prolonged outdoor activities. The built-in microphone is adequate for ordinary use, but wind noise can be apparent outdoors. With a variety of integrated attachments and shooting modes such as slow motion, time-lapse, and loop recording, this camera is adaptable and enjoyable to use, particularly for outdoor trips where portability and durability are paramount. Number 6. GoPro. The GoPro Hero 13 Black feels like a camera that's always adapting to whatever you throw at it. Its main advantage is the 5.3K video recording, which produces amazingly sharp footage with rich detail even when you crop in or extract still photos from your recordings. That increased resolution is a significant advantage for motion photos, but it can also result in greater file sizes to manage. Photo quality is comparable, with high-resolution photographs that perform well in fast-moving scenarios. One of the most intriguing additions is support for HB series lenses. You may change lenses based on what you're shooting, ultra-wide for immersive POV pictures, macro for close-up detail, and even cinematic-style alternatives. The camera knows when a lens or filter is attached and adjusts settings automatically, which is quite useful, but it does lock you into GoPro's ecosystem. Another standout feature is slow-motion performance, which allows for extreme slowdowns that expose details that would otherwise go unnoticed even at high resolution. GoPro has always been known for its durability. The Hero 13 Black is designed to withstand harsh circumstances and can be submerged without additional housing, making it ideal for snow, rain, and shallow dives. The water-repelling lens cover helps keep footage clear, although deep water shooters may require extra accessories. For action sessions, the battery performs admirably, but longer filming at higher resolutions might quickly drain it. Overall, it's a powerful, versatile action camera that excels in image quality and creative possibilities, but with a few storage and battery limitations. Number 5. ODDV. The ODDV 4K action camera is intended for those who enjoy documenting movement, speed, and moments that never stop for anyone. It captures seamless 4K video at 60 frames per second and takes sharp 30-megapixel images, so fast action scenes like bicycling, snowboarding, and skateboarding appear clear and detailed rather than fuzzy. The 5x zoom gives flexibility when you can't physically get closer, although digital zoom works best in well-lit environments to keep things looking clean. The dual-screen layout is one feature that quickly improves the use of this camera. The rear touchscreen is easy to use for adjusting settings or reviewing recordings, while the front screen is ideal for selfies, vlogs, and ensuring you're in the frame. Stabilization is handled by a 6-axis electrical system that does an excellent job of smoothing out shaky footage during motion-heavy activities, though really rocky terrain can still test it. This camera is fantastic for those who enjoy the water. With its protective case, it's suitable for deep underwater adventures like snorkeling, diving, and other water sports. The supplied wrist remote offers convenience when the camera is mounted or out of reach, but keep in mind that it is not waterproof. Built-in Wi-Fi makes it simple to transmit clips to your phone for speedy sharing, but you'll need to provide your own memory card. Overall, it's a feature-rich action camera that strikes a mix between good performance, ease of use, and adventure-ready durability, with a few minor compromises that are easily managed. Number 4. XBot Go. The XBot Go Chameleon is like having a personal videographer who never misses a game. Its major feature is AI-powered sport sports tracking, which can automatically follow players across the field or court, making it ideal for soccer, basketball, and even more specialized sports such as gymnastics or martial arts. The 4K 60 FPS video catches quick action seamlessly, and the 120-degree ultra-wide lens ensures that you capture the entire scene in every frame. Furthermore, 360-degree panoramic tracking provides flexibility that regular cameras cannot match. One of the interesting features of this camera is how it uses AI for more than just tracking. It can generate highlights automatically and even assist with editing, allowing you to produce flawless video without spending hours in post-production. Live streaming is also seamless, allowing you to share games or events in real time with your friends or the audience. However, relying on AI implies there may be rare misreads in complex or congested circumstances, so it is not completely infallible. The controls are straightforward and simple, with Bluetooth connection and Apple Watch support for rapid angle tweaks or previews, which is useful while you're on the go. Combining it with the XSpot Go T4 tripod provides a higher viewpoint, ideal for shooting plays from above. The battery life is adequate for long sessions, but intensive live streaming or persistent tracking can deplete it more quickly than intended. Overall, the Chameleon combines powerful AI, adaptable hardware, and ease, making it a highlight for sports fans, albeit it does require some practice to get the most of its smart capabilities. Number 3. Insta360. The Insta360 X4 Air is ideal for anyone who wants to capture everything around them without skipping a beat. Weighing only 165 grams, it's surprisingly light and portable, making it ideal for excursions, trips, and even daily activities. Its dual lenses capture complete 360-degree 8K video at 30 frames per second, allowing you to record every angle of an event, ensuring that no one is left out. One of its most intriguing features is shoot first, frame later. You can simply tap record and worry about framing the photo later with the Insta360 app, which is ideal for fast-paced action or unforeseen occasions. The camera also supports the invisible selfie stick effect, which allows you to capture dramatic, drone-like views without the stick appearing in the shot. Flow state stabilization along with 360-degree horizon lock keeps your footage smooth and level even during quick action or violent rotations. HDR mode boosts colors and textures in challenging circumstances, giving daylight shots depth, which is a useful feature if they are ever scratched or damaged, as you will not have to replace the entire camera. AI-powered editing in the app makes post-production enjoyable and simple, with one-tap templates, innovative effects, and unique viewpoints that transform raw footage into finished videos. The Insta360 Plus cloud service provides backup, storage, and easy sharing, albeit large 8K files can quickly consume data. Overall, the X4 Air combines portability, adaptability, and modern technology to provide creators with an immersive way to capture and share life, albeit the high-resolution files and steep learning curve for all capabilities may be too much for casual users. Number 2. Extra Edge. The Extra Edge action camera is designed for anyone looking to capture life's adventures in amazing detail. The camera's huge 1 to 1.3-inch sensor produces colorful and lifelike photos and videos, ideal for action-packed POV shots, vlogging, and capturing magnificent vistas. Shooting in 4K cinematic resolution means that even fast-paced moments such as motorcycling, skating, or hiking trails are captured in crystal-clear detail, transforming daily experiences into movie-like memories. One of its most notable features is hyper-stabilization, which keeps film buttery smooth even in rugged terrain or during high-speed activities. With waterproofing up to 52 feet, this camera is ideal for wet or wild adventures like swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, or even a rainy day trip. You don't have to worry about wobbly or blurry images, although excessively turbulent conditions may pose a small difficulty to stabilization. The universal quick mount makes altering angles or reviewing footage simple, and the magnetic lock provides simplicity when moving from horizontal to vertical shoots in seconds. The standard bundle includes useful extras such as dual-facing mount, cold-resistant battery, and protective frame, allowing you to experiment with different angles while keeping your camera secure. The battery life is good, providing you plenty of recording time, but extended 4K sessions might empty it quickly. Overall, the Extra Edge strikes a mix between performance, portability, and ease of use, providing a versatile alternative for action and adventure filming. It's great for anyone wishing to shoot smooth, cinematic quality film. However, heavy-duty explorers may need to stay within battery and stabilization constraints during the most intense activities. Number 1. DJI. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro was designed for creators who want to record every moment with clarity and control, regardless of the conditions. The 1 to 1.3-inch sensor provides bright and detailed images in low-light conditions, including night rides, cityscapes, and dimly illuminated experiences. You can film in 4K at up to 120 FPS, so fast-paced action, whether biking, skiing, or vlogging, looks smooth and cinematic. Dual OLED touchscreens make composing and evaluating images simple, delivering crisp, true-to-life colors from any angle. One of the most notable features is its improved subject tracking, which is powered by a fast 4nm chip that keeps moving subjects centered in 16:9 or 9:16 frames. It's complemented by 360-degree horizon steady stabilization, which keeps the footage stable even on rocky trails or during high-speed sports. Voice control provides another level of convenience by allowing you to start recording, snap images, and switch modes without touching the camera. The audio quality is also excellent, particularly when used with DJI microphones, which capture clean, professional-level sound for vlogs or sports clips. The battery life is remarkable, lasting up to 4 hours of continuous recording, but employing high frame rate 4K or live tracking can drain it more quickly. The camera is completely waterproof and durable, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. However, some capabilities require the DJI Mimo app, which can be difficult to set up on some devices. Overall, the Osmo Action 5 Pro offers top-tier stability, sophisticated tracking, and versatile controls in a small package. It's excellent for anyone who wants to capture smooth, professional-looking film on the go, but understanding all of its functions may require some experience. This concludes our roundup of the finest action cameras available today. From AI-powered sports tracking to 8K 360-degree immersion, these cameras show that there's something for every adventurer, YouTuber, and thrill seeker. Whether you're driving, bicycling, or filming life in motion, these technologies will make your footage smoother, crisper, and more cinematic than before. If you enjoyed learning which camera best suits your taste and want more honest tech suggestions, make sure to subscribe to the Legit Pick channel. Don't miss out. Your next excursion deserves the best camera to document it.